Jai Sriman Narayana, 10th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tamuvacha Hrishikesaha Prahasanniva Bharata Senayoho Ubhayoho Madhye Vishidantam idam vachaha Om. If we are crying for false reasons, the highly evolved people laughs at it. Do not cry, but approach highly evolved people and seek their suggestions and guidance. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option in 18th chapter, asking everyone to surrender to him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry for false reasons. I shall approach highly evolved people for their guidance. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Bali Chakravarti, while he was talking to Vamana, there comes Prahlada, Ajagama Prahlado Bhagavat Priyaha. Prahlada, the one who is most beloved devotee of Sriman Narayana, he came down there. Bali Chakravarti has seen Prahlada, who is his grandfather. How is he looking, Prahlada? Pramsum pisanga ambaram anjanatvisham pralamba bahum subhagarushabham aikshata pinavakshundu navapadmakshun pisanga ambarachadun nirmala sadhuvadu. He is having a nice, beautiful black color body, and such a huge body, and wearing beautiful pitambaram, having such a lengthy shoulders, and beautiful lotus-like eyes, and looking so beloved and looking so pleasant. Such Prahlada. Now Bali Chakravarti has seen that Prahlada. Earlier, the moment he sees Prahlada, he used to go and do all kind of services, but Bali Chakravarti is unable to do all those services to Prahlada because Bali Chakravarti is now tied up by Varuna Pasam. Because of that, he was moving to tears. His eyes were filled with tears and he bowed his head. Nanama Murdhna Asru Vilola Lochanaha. He bowed his head and doing namaskaram to Prahlada. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasetravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 10th sloka. Tamuvacha Hrishikesaha Prahasanniva Bharata Senayorubhayor madhye Vishidantamidam vachaha. Tamuvacha Hrishikesaha Prahasanniva Bharata Senayorubhayor madhye Vishidantamidam vachaha. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.